about down 4% NASDAQ.
It's really NVIDIA. I think that's the story of the day.
It's a one-stock story.
It's a one-stock. No, it's a multiple-stock story. NVIDIA plunged 4%. Earlier, it was down 12%.
Yeah.
But really, tech stocks, power stocks, everything is almost down. But one good news, China, Merit Interactive, it's massively up. It's the only stock that has a direct link to DeepSeek. But this really feels like it came out of left field.
Right. Is Apple involved?
Apple is edging slightly lower, but a lot of them are paring back gains. And with 30 minutes till the open, they might, 35 minutes. We might see some of these reverse course. I mean, NVIDIA's down just 4%. Earlier, it was 12%. Can you imagine?
On surveillance, you can say 30 minutes when it's really 35 minutes because nobody's, this early in the morning, nobody's keeping score.
Isabel, it seems like, for a lot of folks, this could be a concern for the market in general because AI has been such a story for not just the tech stock, but for the market in general for the last couple of years, it seems like.
100%. And this calls into question the underpinnings of a tech rally that added $15 trillion to the NASDAQ since 2022. And it really just makes you think, did we need to spend that much capex, that much energy, that much power to get all of these high-flying tech stocks to the valuations they are in today, which is very stretched, only to have DeepSeek, with just a fraction of a cost, compete?
Yeah, but we had and NVIDIA rather, I think down 10% right now.
But remember, Tom, we had when Stacey Raskin from Bernstein on, he also pointed out the point that AI might become, if it's a lower cost, more accessible. It kickstart the development even more. So I'm not sure how to think
technically, I mean, I know you don't speak to Jess Menton, but technically, when you look at the equity markets, does this break resistance? Is there some technical ramification for the NASDAQ or the SPX going on right now?
We do speak to Jess. She's very nice. The equities and cross-asset people, they're friends. But yes, and this week is a big week because it's also the week where 4 out of 7 Magnificent 7 stocks will be reporting. And that doesn't even look well at this point because of the stretch valuations. But for now, it really remains to be seen. 37% of SPX market cap is also reporting. We have Bloomberg Intelligence.
37% this week?
Yes.
She's a font of wisdom. It's like Julian Emmanuel.
We have Bloomberg Intelligence data saying the group estimated to report a combined profit increase of 18% this year. That's down 30% from 2024.
So we have big tech